Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Regional Clock Widget displays the current time of a geographic location in a digital clock format. To add the Regional Clock Widget to your dashboard, simply search for the Regional Clock Widget, click Add, and then you'll have your configuration panel for the widget appear. Let's say you want to know what time it is in Paris, for instance. For that, we have to select the region, which is going to be Europe, and the time zone. Here, you have a variety of cities to choose from, but we are going to select Paris for this example. In the top line section, you can enter the name of the city you selected to know what time zone you are looking at. Click the Save button, and here you go. You have added the Regional Clock Widget to your dashboard. Repeat this setup if you want to include all your team's locations. Install great gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.